I've received quite a lot of questions regarding the standard and advanced seminar and what we covered during those seminars. So I'm going to discuss that in this video. However, it's really important that you watch Introductory with Trading with DiNapoli levels. You can click on this link in the corner. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to this channel, liking the video. It will help us get more relevant content to you. And also, if you have any ideas what I can cover in the future, please leave a comment below. So let's proceed to today's discussion. We've got the advanced DiNapoli trading materials and the steps you must follow after you've read the book. So let me quickly go through this. The first important thing on the website, you'll notice that I've got the journeyman level. It's very important that you follow this process. We've got the book up first. That is the most important thing you need to see, or do rather, is read this book. Everything we do is built on this step. So when you purchase the book, you also get a free 60-day forum password, which will allow you to go through the archives. There's years of archives there that you can go through, questions and answers. You can also post your own questions over there. Then there's the video, the DVD. If you are a visual learner, this one can help you also quite a lot, but the book is still the most important. The trading course was done before the book, so it's not a must anymore, but there's some really good hints and tips in there. It's also really a course where Joe goes through questions that you might have, certain charts, and it's all on MP3 as you go through this book that was written as well. And then after you've gone through that, you can activate tools on certain platforms. There's Ghost Trading Package, Ninja Trader, CQG, TradeStation only have the indicators, and you can then learn to apply this method to your favorite market. As you activate the tools, you once again get free access to the forum, so you can continue to post questions and charts there, and further discussions on the forum. And then finally, what we really want to talk about today is the private seminars. Now this is really a really important step. My journey has only begun to accelerate once I've attended quite a few of these seminars. So what happens is traders usually misunderstand some of the material and apply it incorrectly, and that's what we make sure during these seminars, that you have these methods and concepts, that you understand it correctly. So during these seminars, what we cover is, if we start out, we'll look at the book again in great depth. So we'll make sure that you understand everything in the book. Then we go through the new indicators that was developed after Joe has written the book Trading with DiNapoli Levels. We didn't publish this in any new books because of copyright issues. The book is just distributed all over the web, so there's a lot of new stuff that's done after the book was written. New trade plans as well, that's also not in the book, and that's after the book was written due to the copyright issues that we are facing. New patterns as well. Then we'll also do an introduction to market mechanics. We'll talk a lot about tape reading, stops in the market, how the market looks for these levels, etc. So this is quite advanced and not covered in the book as well. We'll talk a lot about the psychology of trading. Of course, this is very important. And then we'll be looking at all the software which I've mentioned earlier, which we go through in quite extensive detail. Then during the advanced seminar or the master class, we focus a lot on algos. Since 2009, as you know, the algos have really taken over the markets, and we look at the impacts they have on the markets and also how to benefit from it. And then of course 2 to 3 days of solid live trading. We apply the methods that you've learned in real time down to a 1-minute chart. So as you can see, you need to have the book under the belt. You have to read the book, study it, know it. You have to know the new concepts in the standard seminar, and then we apply it during the 2 to 3 live days on the markets. Of course, during this advanced trading, you have a lot of questions. We do have lively discussions with questions and answers. And then if you want to see more testimonials, you can go to tinyurl.com, DiNapoli Masterclass. So look on the websites for any schedules. You can also contact us on fibtrader.co.za, fibtrader.com, my email twdl@fibtrader.co.za, and then please send me an email if you are interested in attending any of these seminars. We do usually one in the USA, in Sarasota in a year, and one potentially in Bangkok in a year, with one or more in between depending on interest. So as you can see, there's a lot of extra material that we covered during these seminars, and I really hope that you find this video beneficial on explaining how we cover a lot of stuff that was written after the book, and why it's important to consider joining these seminars in the future. And that's it. I hope you have a really good journey in this method, and feel free to contact me at any time. Bye bye.